How's it going, my good old friends of YouTube? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video. So check it out, guys. The market is going crazy right now. All the indexes are in the green, and pretty much every stock on my watch list is moving, guys. So we have to do an update on the stock market, stocks I'm looking at, and overall what I'm looking to do. But first, hit that like button, guys. Come on, make sure to subscribe and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, what are you waiting for? Use that link down below, or go to StasSurFest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, let me clear my voice, guys. Take a sip of that coffee. Cheers. And now let's get into it. So check it out. It's about 11:15 a.m. on the East Coast right now. So we're almost 2 hours into the day. And by the way, yesterday markets were closed. Donald Trump got into office, and today, well, is the first day with him being the president, and the stock market is moving. Again, all the indexes are in the green right now. We have the S&P 500. Let's see here, guys, up around 0.5%. We can see right here, the Russell's up 1.5%, Dow's up about 0.9%, and we have, let's see, the QQQ NASDAQ 100 up. Not much, but it is up almost 0.25%. So, guys, we're moving in the right direction here. Again, we got the new president. Donald Trump's officially in office, and SPY is breaking out of 600, which you guys probably know. We covered this in my recent update on the indexes here. 600 is a big spot. And just in general, 595 to 600, right? This range was a big resistance, and guys, we were able to break out of it. You can see here we're above both moving averages now on the 4-hour chart, and clearly breaking out of this, which was once a descending triangle. Now we're breaking out of it. That's a great sign. QQQ is doing the same thing. If you guys take a look here, if I zoom in a little bit, we're breaking out of this descending triangle. We're not quite yet taking out that 525 alert I have set, which is most likely going to break out by the looks of it. It's going to break out of that maybe later today at some point this week. But overall, guys, we're above both moving averages on the 4-hour chart here on QQQ. Gotta love it. And I think if we take out 525, 530, it is off to the races. All-time highs are coming right after that. So SPY, QQQ, they look phenomenal. The Russell looks pretty good here as well. The Russell's up 1.5%, leading the green by far in terms of the indexes here in the U.S. And we're back over both moving averages. We're taking out the highs from earlier in January, late December as well. So now we're pretty much at a 4-week high on the Russell 2000 index, which is very good news for the bulls here, guys. And now IJR is officially back in play, which is a small cap ETF that I've been eyeing up. I think this could have a lot more upside in the short term here. And the Dow Jones, can't forget about the Dow, guys. This looks great. Dow's back over both moving averages. We're up almost 1%. We're breaking out here again. And just like that, Dow back in an uptrend. I mean, it never broke the uptrend, but it's officially continuing now after about a month and a half. Guys, the Dow was down for a month and a half. It was downtrending. Same with the Russell pretty much. Now both of these are starting, again, to move in the right direction. So let me break down some earnings with you guys that we got this morning. And while I pull up this first stock, don't forget to join the email list. I'm sending out my top stocks every Monday right to your email, and it's free. It's linked down below in the description box, also pinned in the comment section. You guys might as well get in there. Again, it is free, and I might as well get a sip of this dang water, guys. My throat is, I don't know what's going on. I'm a little bit, I'm getting these voice cracks today. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Am I getting sick again? I hope I'm not getting sick. I don't think I'm getting sick. But, yeah, I just need to drink more water. That's probably what it is, guys. So, Charles Schwab, SCHW, they reported earnings this morning, and the stock is up 3.3% right now, guys, which, do you guys remember we talked about the potential Head and Shoulders that was forming on SCHW? Well, that's out the window. I mean, look, we're breaking out of the neckline. The stock's up almost $3, up 3.5% pretty much. And if we pull up the numbers, it makes sense. It's because they double beat. They did adjusted EPS of $1.01 versus 91 cents expected on sales of $5.33 billion versus $5.19 billion expected. So double beat for Charles Schwab. And anything in terms of guidance, not seeing anything there on the guidance front. But yeah, technically speaking, guys, we're looking great. Breaking out of this neckline. We're above both moving averages on SCHW. To me, man, we're actually pulling back a bit now, it looks like, on the intraday, right? So we hit 82.60. Now we're at 78.90. Wow. So we have pulled down about 5% in the last hour. So in my opinion, guys, this could actually be an opportunity on the pullback. Buyers might come in here in the high 70s and push this thing back to 80 plus and eventually back to the mid 80s. So shout out to Charles Schwab. I like the way the charts look on this thing. And 3M, ticker symbol, literally 3M, MMM, they reported earnings and their stock's up 5%. Let's take a look at what 3M ended up reporting this morning, guys. So it looks like, let's see where these numbers are, guys. It'd be nice if Thinkorswim made it a little bit easier, but you guys know how that goes. Adjusted EPS, $1.68 versus $1.66 expected on sales of 5.8 versus, what is it, 5.78 billion. So double beat for 3M. And it looks like here they did give us guidance. Did they or did they not? Maybe I read that wrong. It looks like here they see 2025 adjusted total sales growth of 0.5% to 1.5%. Crazy growth, right, guys? Not really. I'm being sarcastic there. An adjusted EPS of, 760 versus 790, 760 to 790, that's the range, versus 778 expected. So not bad guidance, guys. Double beat as well. So that's enough for now to send the stock higher. Again, up almost 5% on 3M. Pretty good, guys. Pretty good. But honestly, at this point, I wouldn't chase it in the short term. I think it is a little bit overbought. We'll see how it goes. We also got DHI this morning. DR Horton, you guys know this company. They reported earnings, and their stock's not doing much, up around 0.25%. Not much at all. Looks like here they did GAAP EPS of $2.61, which beat the $2.44 expected on sales of $7.61 billion versus $7.08 billion expected. So double beat for DR Horton, and they see, 2025 share repurchases of $2.6 to $2.8 billion. They reiterated full year 25 revenue guidance at $36 to $37.5 billion versus $37.16 billion. Not bad. And homes closed by home building operations of 90 to 92,000 homes. So, yeah, I mean, at this point, guys, DR Horton is down big time. About, 26% from the recent 202 high, but it's trying to reverse, man. It's trying to break out of this 180 moving average on the 4-hour chart. Maybe it does it. Maybe it does it. So I'm going to set my alert at $155 on DR Horton, and we'll monitor it from there. Let me do that now. Mark is at or above 155. So, yeah, I mean, these are the three companies that reported this morning. Obviously, there's a lot more, but these are the top three. And after the bell, we have Netflix, Interactive Brokers, which these are two that everybody should be watching. Netflix right now is up a little bit, 0.9%. It's right near my alert of 875 or at 875. If it's able to get out of there and honestly just break 900 in general, this could be right back to all-time highs sooner rather than later, guys. So keep your eyes on NFLX and IBKR. IBKR, we have a clear-cut cup and handle. Whichever way you slice and dice it, whichever way you look at it, we have a cup and handle there, or an ascending triangle, or both, I guess, right? So my alert's at 195. If we're able to get out of there, this triangle plays out, the cup and handle plays out, this could be going a lot higher. So guys, these are 5 stocks to watch. Now, Charles Schwab, 3M, DR Horton, they reported this morning, and after the bell, IBKR and Netflix. Really, Netflix is the big dog, right? But obviously IBKR is worth watching as well with this setup we're seeing right now. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and my second channel, Stocks Talks Money. That is linked down below. And get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account. Deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfast.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.